It's Megan again here on the Lawson Farm. So today we're going to be making made from scratch chicken noodle soup. And so let's go ahead and get started. It's a delicious meal for a cold winter day. And according to the groundhog, we still got a little bit of winter left. So first thing I've got is about 3 cups of shredded chicken. Now this did come from our farm fresh chicken. If you've never had farm fresh pasture raised chicken, you're in for a treat. You should check out a farmer that does that. Of course we do that here on the farm as well. But anyways, so I went ahead and shredded my already cooked chicken. I've got it in the pot here. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of chicken broth. Now, anytime you cook a chicken, whether it be a whole chicken, chicken breast, anything like that, and you bake them in the oven or you cook them in the crock pot, and all that delicious juice that's around that chicken, y'all, don't throw that away. It is so good for other recipes or to make gravy. So I usually freeze it when it comes from stuff that I've cooked, when it's not the broth that I've actually, made from the carcass. So that's what this is. This is from a chicken I cooked a while back, and this container does good freezing my broth. So this is frozen broth. Go ahead and put our chicken broth straight in there with our chicken. Now when you do chicken broth that way, don't let it disturb you. When it is jelly-like, when it's thawed out, that's actually what you want to see, because that means all the collagen and everything has went into that broth, and it is actually a very healthy broth. So we're going to put that on the heat and let that broth melt down into our chicken. And we're going to go ahead, and while that's doing that, we're also going to add a whole stick of butter. I never said chicken noodle soup was going to be healthy, but it is delicious. All right, we're going to let those melt down. Now that everything is melted, the broth and the butter, we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour in about 2 cups of milk. We're going to stir that. All right. So what we're going to do, got my heat on about medium. We're going to let this come to a little simmer. I may cut it up just a hair. But where this has milk in it, you do want to keep an eye on it, stir it here and there. So these here, what I'm putting in it, these are my homemade noodles, made from scratch. Made them a few days ago. If you follow the Facebook page, you'll see the recipe there. And I'll put the link in the description to the Facebook page. So what we're going to do, and these noodles will help thicken up our soup, so it's going to be kind of a thick chicken noodle soup. I'm just going to start dropping in some noodles. All right, so let the soup simmer for about 20 minutes, long enough to get my noodles done. And it's ready. And that's all it is to making chicken noodle soup. I added a can of carrots to it. You can add whatever kind of vegetables you like. Some people like celery, different things like that in it. But I cook for a picky crowd, so we're just having carrots in ours. See there, though? And I've got some grilled cheese sandwiches in the oven cooking. But, yep, that's how you make made from scratch chicken noodle soup. Absolutely delicious. Got Campbell's beat all to pieces. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, subscribed to the channel. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like the video if you really do like it. And also check out Wedding Inspirations magazine. True Grit Southern Cooking and Canning has been featured in the magazine. I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out and give them a like on Facebook. Beautiful magazine. And there's also links in there for my videos. So yeah, just check that out, and I'll talk to y'all next time.